When updating or installing programs, are you encountering the 0x80073CFE error? Discover 4 tried and true ways to successfully fix it in this video. To clear the cache, press Win+R to open the Run dialog. Enter WS Reset and press Enter to clear the cache. Try installing or updating the app to see if the issue is resolved. Open Windows Search by pressing Win+S. Type Reset this PC and press Enter to access the settings. Select Reset this PC and then choose Keep My Files. Follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to complete a system reset. Right-click the Start menu and choose Terminal, Admin. In the Admin PowerShell, execute the following commands one by one to reinstall the Microsoft Store. Once completed, check if this resolves the issue. Download the Windows 11 or 10 ISO file from the provided link. Once downloaded, double-click on it and run the setup.exe. This will upgrade Windows to the latest version and restore corrupted components and apps. Afterward, check if the problem has been resolved. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.